SmartRecruiters app. The pros, the cons. If you're hiring talent or looking for a new job, the SmartRecruiters app promises to simplify the recruiting process, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by thinking recruiting apps are only for posting jobs. SmartRecruiters allows you to manage the full hiring workflow, from posting positions and screening candidates to scheduling interviews and sending offers, all from your phone. For job seekers, you can apply to roles, track your applications, and receive notifications instantly. The app also supports collaboration. Hiring teams can review candidate profiles, leave notes, and rate applications in real time, which reduces the endless email chains typical in recruiting. For example, a recruiter can quickly see feedback from multiple team members and move top candidates forward without delay. Another advantage is integration. SmartRecruiters connects with LinkedIn, email, and calendar tools, helping recruiters manage applicants efficiently. Push notifications ensure you never miss an application update or interview request. However, there are cons. Some users report that navigation can be tricky at first, especially with multiple open roles. The candidate experience can sometimes feel impersonal, and certain features like detailed analytics or custom workflows are only fully accessible via the desktop platform. In conclusion, SmartRecruiters is ideal for companies and job seekers who want a mobile-first, streamlined hiring experience. The surprising truth is that while the app is powerful and convenient, it doesn't completely replace the desktop interface for more complex tasks. For anyone seeking a fast, organized way to manage hiring or job applications, SmartRecruiters offers a practical, time-saving solution that keeps you connected on the go.